Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, today the video is about Hot Wheels Rolls Royce model. As Hot Wheels has produced several Rolls Royce diecast model capturing the elegance and the luxury of these real life vehicles. Here are some notable Hot Wheels Rolls Royce model. The first one on the list is Redline Rolls Royce Silver Shadow, which was released in 1969. This is a vintage gem feature, which is body color is in gray color, and it has a opening hood to reveal the engine and costs you around like $85. The prices may vary. The second one on the list is Hot Wheels 1937 Rolls Royce Talbot Phantom, which is a classic representation of the Talbot Phantom, complete with the metal interior detail and costs you around like $8. The third one on the list is 1987 Hot Wheels White Rolls Royce Talbot Phantom. It's a sleek white version of the Talbot Phantom, costs you around like $9.99, close to $10. The last one on the list is Hot Wheels Rolls Royce Silver Shadow Redline, which is in blue color and costs you around like $70. Additionally, Hot Wheels offer books like Hot Wheels from 0 to 50 at 1:64 scale. This book is illustrated with the rare design, drawings, and prototype from Metal Archives. It has 160 pages, released on October 1st, 2019, and it will cost you around like $30. And if you're looking for the used book, it will cost you around like $21.65. While Hot Wheels directly produces the Rolls Royce model, there are other brands which were inspired by the Rolls Royce, such as brand is Ketobi. They have alloy collectible black Rolls Royce Phantom toy, which has a detailed pullback model with the light and sound effect. The scale is 1:32. Original price was $24.99, but now they are selling for $18.74 at Amazon.com. The another one they have alloy collectible Rolls Royce Phantom model toy car, and the scale is 1:32 scale diecast model with pullback action, have lights and sound. Originally the price was $24.99, but now it is selling for $18.74 at Amazon.com. Whether you are a collector or a racing enthusiast, Hot Wheels offers a world of miniature excitement. So remember, these miniatures may be small, but they carry the grandeur of the Rolls-Royce legacy. So let me know which Hot Wheels Rolls-Royce car you like, and if you have any from Hot Wheels or other brands, please share in the comment section below. As for my preference, I don't personally own any Hot Wheels Rolls-Royce cars, but I find the 1969 Hot Wheels Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow quite fascinating. It's a 1:64 representation of the real car, complete with an opening hood that exposes the engine. As the interior comes in various colors like white, champagne brown, or dark brown. So if you are a collector, this one might be the worth adding to your collection. Feel free to share your favorite Hot Wheels cars or any other interesting models in the comments. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy collecting.